If you've ever searched for a design or image in Canva and found the right file in the results, but had no idea where you saved it in your folders, there's a new feature in Canva that's easy to miss, but incredibly helpful once you know it's there. Canva has just recently added a details panel that shows important information about any file, and perhaps most importantly for some folks, it shows you exactly where that file is saved in your folder structure. Here's how it works. When you're viewing a design or image, you can hover over the item and click on the three dots icon to bring up more options. From there, choose Details, which will open a side panel that gives you a range of useful information about the file, such as its type, for example, design or image, dimensions, owner, creation date, last modified date, and any tags you've added. But the most useful part of this panel for some Canva users will be the Saved In section, which tells you exactly where the file currently lives in your folder structure. If you click the three dots next to that folder name, it will expand to show the full folder path using breadcrumb style navigation. This is especially handy when you're using the search bar in Canva. Sometimes you'll find the file you're looking for, but have no idea where you actually saved it. So now you can just click on Details and quickly confirm its location. For example, I can see here that my design titled 2025 Share Images is saved inside the blog and website category and then under Canva Library. This is a small but super helpful update for a lot of folks, and now there's no more guessing about where your files are hiding. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.